Hello, our lovely viewers. Thank you again for tuning in to our YouTube channel this afternoon. Still with our revision at number 4 for the A student 2023. So number 4 reads point X degrees north, 30 degrees east, and B X degrees north, 50 degrees east are 1,935 kilometers apart. Taking R, that is the radius of the Earth, to be 6370 kilometers and pi as 22/7. Find the value of X. What a good question. So latitudes and longitudes, guys, I always tell my students to sketch just a small diagram. That is the equator, of course. Prime meridian is there. Then we have another town on the north, that is X degrees north. So the town is there, and it is on the east, 30 degrees east. Then of course, that is X. From the equator, we go up by X degrees north. Then that is town A. Then there's another town B on the other side of the globe, also on the same latitude, on the same latitude X, but it is on the west. No, they are all on the same side. It is also on the east. So there's another town here, which is now 50 degrees east. So let me take A to be the one close here, that is A. Then the other one becomes a B, which is farther end, on the farthest end. That is 50 when I have 30 here. They are all on the east. So what does it mean? Here we are going to consider points on what we call the parallel latitude. So drawing the 2 points, then along from the equator they have gone X. They are all X. Yeah, so one is 50, another one is 30. So the angle between them, because this all counts from the equator, from the same direction. So we are going to minus the 2 to get the angle between. That is 50 degrees. If I count from here, go to 50, and go to 30, then the difference between them is just 20. Then we are told the distance between them is 1935 kilometers. So how do we formulate this to be able to get the distance? We remember, guys, this is just a sector of a circle. So being a sector of a circle, then we are just going to use our formula. And the formula for getting distance along a smaller circle, we all know. So length becomes theta over 360 2 pi r, smaller radius. But smaller radius, we all know, is always r cos theta or beta, whichever. So so I'll rewrite this as r cos beta or alpha, whichever. So what is our L here? L was given 1935, is given by the angle between them, 20 degrees is the theta, times 2 times 22/7 times radius of the earth is 6370 cos beta. Beta here is the angle X, is the latitude angle. How far are we on the north? So the X degrees. So let me call it beta here for that matter. This is beta. So what are we going to do? So we are going to work out this side with your calculator. Simplify where possible. Of course, 7 goes there. 9, 1, 0. 2 goes here, 18. 2 goes here, 9. So as you divide, we shall be able to get as 1935 all over 22 24.4 as equivalent to cos beta. So beta becomes 29 degrees. So what does it mean? That the angle is 29.56 north. The latitude is 29.56 north. So what were they asking? Find the value of x. Very easy, guys. Interpretation of the diagram is what matters. These two towns were on the same side. They were all on the east. So we are going to get the difference between the angles. Distance was already given. So we just equate to a formula, a normal formula of getting the arc length as theta over 360 2 pi r, where the r we had here is a smaller circle. This plane was moving along a smaller circle. A smaller circle has got small r, and small r is always expressed in terms of the big R as r cos theta cos beta, whichever angle we are talking about here, as long as we understand which angle do we mean to be this beta here. Some can write theta, some can write. I didn't want to confuse with theta again now that we have written theta for the angle between the two towns. Working out through, there you go, guys, and you shall be there. Let me assure my learners, you cannot miss equations of latitude, longitude, especially 10 question marks in section B. Can you use this and do more? Do practice. We shall also do the long questions under section B on latitude, longitude. And if I don't lie to you, I think we have done some that are on our YouTube channel. Please, can you peruse over those videos? You will find equations of latitude, longitude. But we shall still walk the talk, do more to become champions. You are my champions, you the viewers at large. So let's help our children. Let's study maths. Let's love the subject, and all shall be well. Let me tell you one thing before we go off. Please subscribe. Let's share. Let's support the program. To reach Mr. Peter or the Beacon Master is plus 254 720 968517. We shall be able to communicate and see how to reach out and to make a difference in the life of our children. Bye-bye.